Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Orange, pink, lemon green, red, pink, yellow, violet. A. Say with me. A. Say with me. A. B. Say with me. B. Say with me. B. C. Say with me. C. Say with me. C. D. Say with me. D. Say with me. D. E. Say with me. E. Say with me. E. F. Say with me. F. G. Say with me. G. Say with me. G. H. Say with me. H. I. Say with me. I. J. Say with me. J. K. Say with me. K. L. Say with me. L. M. Say with me. M. Say with me. M. N. Say with me. N. Say with me. N. O. Say with me. O. Say with me. O. P. Say with me. P. Say with me. P. Q. Say with me. Q. Say with me. Q. R. Say with me. R. S. Say with me. S. Say with me. S. T. Say with me. T. U. Say with me. U. Say with me. U. V. Say with me. V. W. Say with me. W. X. Say with me. X. Y. Say with me. Y. Say with me. Y. Z. Say with me. Z. Subscribe for more videos.